In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I use the tie-dye kit when dyeing my fabrics. To begin with, select your fabrics. I am using very light fabrics for a maximum bright colors. Also, ensure that your fabrics are well pressed before dyeing. Into a large plastic container, place your fabric. Select colors, give them a good shake and start spraying directly onto your fabric. Do not worry about the paint splotches, they will even while applying more layers of color. Don't be afraid to play with your fabric and smear the remaining colors all around. Scrunch it in your hands, keep applying the layers until you achieve the result you're looking for. Once happy with the result, set your fabric on side for about 10 to 15 minutes, depends of the wetness of your fabric. If your fabric absorbs loads of paint, leave it to air dry until dry to touch. Once your fabric is dry, set your iron on the highest setting and keep pressing dry without using any steam. Since my fabric wasn't completely dry, it left the paint residue on the towel. If you allowed your fabric to dry properly, this won't happen. Keep pressing your fabric with your hot dry iron until completely dry. Once set, color become permanent. Once fabric is properly dried and a heat set it with the hot dry iron, it become color fast. Since my fabric wasn't dried properly, it bled yellow color. However, on the next example, you will see if your fabric is dry properly, this won't happen. I'm not using any gloves while scrunching my fabric since the dye is not staying in hands. Since my fabric was dry and the heat set it properly, I was able to wash my fabric in a warm water and color did not fast. I've also repeated the same process, but this time I've used detergent, in my case soap, and this did not make the fabric bleed either. Don't be afraid to experiment with your fabrics. Use different stencils to create modern designs.